What's up, Hidden Heroes? It's me, Hidden Harry, and today we are going to be trying this new face cam I just made. Anyways, today we're going to be playing Loomian Legacy. So, I'm going to tell you about Loomian Legacy because maybe some of you don't know this game. So, Loomian Legacy, it starts out that we get a Loomian for one Loomian and choose it. I choose Fevine, and I I I also I now have a full team because I've been playing this game for a while. I'm sorry I couldn't do a series. My fault. All my fault. Anyways, let's do this. First, let me introduce you to my Pokemon. This is Felix, the 10 tap. Yeah, it's a 10. So this 10, this is its moves: Life Dream, Toxic Tail, Jungle Jitsu, and Nature's Force. A great combination. It's a brawler. Luminati, Rejuvenate, Flash Pulse, Street Shot, and Submerge. Revenine. I didn't name this one. Also Luminati. So, Scorching Startle, Shadow Spirit, Single, and Ghosty Howl. Legacy slash Tail Split. I cannot say it. Gloom's Roar, Swipe, Pounce, and Claw. Curious Sight. I cannot say it if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Don't blame me. I don't know. Blame me. Okay, I'm very sorry. I cannot pronounce it, okay? It's very hard to pronounce. My lip cannot do it. Bevolt, I traded this stuff for a Dusket, and I don't know why I did that. I accidentally clicked accept, so now I have to use it. So let's battle some people. See, I already defeated the battle theater, so I want to show you my badge. This is my ID. I won 2 badges right now. Let me count how many gyms I have to go through now. The update will be coming in 10 more days. 10 more days, so we can go to Route 7. It'll take some time though. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 gyms? Wait, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's 8. So it's gonna be fun. Alright, let's start. Okay, let's go battle. So, wait, by the way, remember when I showed you this lion-looking Pokemon? I mean, Loomian is Legacy. So Legacy, remember this? So, this is how you get it. It's unusual to get it, but this is how it evolves. It'll take a while to explain, but it's fine, right, guys? Right, in heroes? Wait. Let's battle this wild Pokemon real quick first. Okay. Wait, I'm going to get my screen up real quick so you guys can see its name. Oh wait, it doesn't work. Okay, never mind. So, Toxic Tail. Okay, one shot, man. This one's like full health, so you can't, like, my Felix cannot get there even higher. So I'll show you how I made legacy. So first, you have to get 2 T-Watts. Make one of them evolve at the daytime and the other one at nighttime. They evolve at level 22, and one at nighttime will turn into this, and the other one will turn into that one. So when you form them together, it equals that. And I'll tell you how you form it. First, you have to rally it. Put both of them in the rally. One is the assistant, one is the leader. You don't need to make them organized. You could just put it, this one the leader, the light one the leader, or the black one the assistant, or the black one the leader, or the light one the assistant. It doesn't matter. So, and it will make one of these T-Watts, and when they evolve to level 22, it will become this. It's really easy. Trust me. I'm not used to playing on the computer. I just play on the iPad. Alright, so if we hit 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a Loomian giveaway. Right here. This game, Loomian Legacy giveaway. It's gonna be a giveaway about, I'm gonna give away some awesome Loomians if you guys subscribe. Like the video and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next giveaway. If we hit a little bit more subscribers, like 50, if we hit 50 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway in Loomian Legacy, because I have a lot of Lumians. I'm telling you, I have a million. So, because I've been around. So, if we hit 50 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway, an awesome giveaway. And if you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell, and like this video, and also comment down below what's your username in Roblox, and I'll friend you, and then come in Loomian Legacy if you have experience, of course, and go to the map, click, and go to the trade resort, and teleport to me in the trade resort, and then you get your awesome Loomian, because I have a lot of Lumians right now, and yeah, I don't really know what to do with them, because I can only get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the team. So enter the giveaway now, and subscribe, and hit the bell, and like the video, and comment down below what is your username, and friend me in Roblox, and then come in Loomian Legacy and go to the map, and I'll be waiting there in the trade resort. So, yeah, have some fun, guys. Bye bye, heroes.